out. Keep that in mind.
I want to go across to Mukesh Tyagi as well. Mukesh Tyagi, Anuj is a reporter who was working on the Sushant story, and some of his investigative reports include a revelation that came out about a week ago, a little over a week ago, I think, where an ambulance, somebody who was with the ambulance moving the body of Sushant Singh Rajput, and he was also he spoke to that person at Cooper Hospital, and he spoke about how there were injuries on Sushant's body, something that the police never revealed, right? He also revealed about how the doctors during the autopsy, because he was present there, claimed that it could be a case of murder. And he was merely following leads, and he was arrested by the, not the Mumbai police, by the Maharashtra police in Karjat, close to the Chief Minister's farmhouse. He was merely following a story in investigative leads when he was arrested. I want your response on that, Mukesh, because it's been nearly 48 hours now, in fact more than that, and he still has not been freed yet.
कहते हैं विपरीत बुद्धि विनाश काले. I think Maharashtra government is trying to establish everything possible in a very unconstitutional way. Look at the way most of the things have been done in the past, because Sushant Singh investigation has become a prestigious matter and also equally sensitive matter, because government is behaving, as somebody mentioned, it's in a fascism fashion. And arresting a journalist, I think, is the most severe offense anybody can do it, because it's a straightaway attack on the freedom of speech. And if this is the way journalists are going to be treated, I think it's a matter of a constitutional crisis, because Constitution protects under Article 22 that everybody has a freedom of expression. And I'm not aware of the fact whether these journalists were getting into the bungalow or not, there was a scuffle or not. That's an allegation. I'm not sure about it. Secondly, they should have been produced before the magistrate within 24 hours, which is, I think, I'm not sure whether they have been produced before that or not. But coming on the fundamental premises, there have been number of loopholes, the way autopsy has been done, no time is being mentioned, Cooper Hospital. There are a number of questions which are hovering around right now, which have remained unanswered. And we are waiting for the time to come. And you are taking this investigation to a logical end. Entire Bollywood is, as a matter of fact, looking at your investigation. And let me tell you, this parallel investigation will bring the entire thing into fruition. Otherwise, this matter would have been lost in oblivion. So I'm only trying to say that I mean, you have a legal recourse to file a habeas corpus writ petition in the High Court and get the strictures in case it is unconstitutional. And I'm sure it is an unlawful arrest, it is unlawful, and he should be released instantaneously with apology from the government that they have transcended their jurisdiction. It is a matter of governance. It's not a matter of who is ruling the government. The government has to work within the four walls of the Constitution, and I see on the face of it that there is a complete violation of the Constitution. There is a complete violation of freedom of speech. This is the pillar of the democracy. Emergency is known, notoriously known, because they suspended all the fundamental